Hey guys, so we have free spins over here at the Volcano. Yes, come on Volcano. Ooh, it's going up. Oh, that's it. Okay. Well, we're back at our 100. Our bet is at 225 a bet. It expands the payouts, the mini, minor, major, grand, and the mega. Ooh, it expanded the grand. Okay, come on, Tiki Tiki. Again, the grand, it expanded the grand. Okay, let's do the $1.50. Let's see where we're at. No? Okay, this is at $3. Come on, Tiki Tiki. The major's on fire. Let's trigger it. Let's trigger it. Oh, come on, come on. $3 are going down. They're going down. Come on, Mr. Volcano. This Hawaiian lady, thank you. Thank you again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is it gonna erupt? No. It sounds like it wants to. Okay, let's go to 225. Oh, come on, come on. 90 cents. Oh, wow. Come on, Volcano. Oh, come on. That was close. That was close. This is a teaser. Oh, come on, Mr. Volcano. You guys, we're down to $34. Yay! Let's do this. All right, y'all ready? We have 10 free spins. Let's do it. Come on, come on. 15 cents. Come on, come on. Make it a 2 more spins. Come on, 2 more spins. One more. Oh, that was a dead spin. All right. What did we do here, guys? We're over 300 bucks. All right. Woohoo! So we started with 100. Now we're gonna cash it out, baby. We're gonna cash out our ticket. We made $436.05, which minus 100. All right, we came out on this one. Thank you, Mr. Volcano. Till next time.